hell is that noise? There's no way that you can be snoring that loud. What the hell? Time to put into snoring. Time to stop that snoring. Next time you go to sleep, you remember that Zyppah. Told you to never go to bed without Zyppah in your mouth. Put it back in your mouth now. Put it back in there. Put it back in your mouth. Say,
stop it.
Okay. There you go. All better. Now you go back to bed without snoring.